Nadiad resident Dr. Michael Magwan is practicing the alternate medicine in town. Dr. Michael is always active to make common people avail their rights for the medical services from the state government in the field of health. He knew about the malpractice in Chiranjeevi Yojana of Gujarat government, and the same had become their instrument of under-table income for the medical practitioners. Dr. Michael used the Right to Information Act, and the huge scandal in Chiranjeev Yojana was unearthed. The truth was revealed with the RTI application of Dr. Michael that how the greedy people siphoned the huge amount of funds for such government scheme. Dr. Michael asked for the data on the general rules and the list of beneficiaries of Chiranjeevi Yojana from the district health officer of Khera district. The officer misplaced his application. After the span of 1 month, he applied again for the same purpose and the responsible officer was fined.
Though there is RTI Act, I did not get information and I had to fight against CDHO, and I had given application again, and then after 2 months I got the information.
After the second application, he was delivered the information. According to this information, there were 936 beneficiaries in Khera district from the year 2006 to 2008. When Dr. Michael investigated from the addresses given in the information, he was shattered when he knew that all the beneficiaries were bogus. Only the names were included in the list, and the block health officer of Nadiad Hospital siphoned the amount with the nexus of other corrupt officials by adding the names of bogus beneficiaries. And she had not got any benefit of Chiranjeevi Yojana.
So it is very important that RTI is an instrument to get any information from any government section.
Dr. Michael informed the Chief District Health Officer about the entire scam, but he did not take any action against the corrupt doctors. However, the local newspaper gave wide coverage to the information he got from the RTI application. The regional deputy director from Ahmedabad Civil Hospital was called for the investigation of the entire case, and the investigation committee was formed. The investigation committee also filed the false report to the government to avoid more humiliation. It was but natural that the committee reported that there was nothing wrongdoing in the scheme. Dr. Michael applied again, and he asked about the report to the health department. On the basis of this report, he again made the application to the higher official of the state health department. You will be surprised to know that the retired secretary is probing the investigation committee to find the truth. The prime accused of the scam, block health officer, is transferred out of Khera district, and the departmental investigation is going on today against him. The government fined him for 1,14,888 rupees.